Brief History on the Origin of Physics, presented by Chisimdi Stephanie Onyakaru. Finding the origin of physics can be very tasking, mainly because it's very difficult to separate it from other fields such as mathematics, astronomy, and alchemy. Great civilization has history of great men who were talented in arts, philosophy, Homeric poets, playwrights, and from there came forth some of the greatest philosophers. Athens, Sparta, Thebes, among others, were popular cities in Greece because of their exceptional stability. From theoretical mathematics, accurate astronomy, and sophisticated philosophy sprang ancient physics, an attempt to explain the world and uncover the laws that governed the universe. The ancient Greeks believed that the universe was harmonious, perfect, and governed by elegant laws and equations as usually, considering the definition of physics as a natural science that studies the property of matter and energy and its behavior through space and time. Physics studies related entities such as force, etc. You can draw an assumption that physics started with Big Bang. Thales was the first physicist, and his theory actually have the discipline's name. He believed the world is made from different materials but was built on only one element, matter, called physis in ancient Greek. Anaximander, more famous for his proto-evolutionary theory, disputed the ideas of Thales and proposed that rather than water, a substance called aperium was the building block of all matter. Heraclitus, around 500 BC, proposed that the only basic law governing the universe was the principle of change and that nothing remains in the same state indefinitely. Then came another physicist, Leucippus, and he opposed strongly the idea of direct divine intervention in the universe. Instead, he proposed that natural phenomena had a natural cause. Leucippus and his student Democritus developed the first atomic theory, whilst Aristotle, regarded as the father of science, hindered the progress of physics for many millennia. Due to his methodology and empiricism, Aristotle firmly believed that all matter was made up of some combination of 5 elements: earth, air, fire, water, and invisible ether. His contribution was based on this element, and he continued to mislead scholars until the coming of Galileo and Newton. Archimedes is best known for his Eureka moment, discovering the principles of density and buoyancy whilst enjoying a bath. He calculated the mathematics of lever and developed elaborate systems of pulley to move large objects with minimum effort. He also developed the principles of equilibrium states and center of gravity. These ideas influenced the Islamic scholars Galileo and Newton. He brought out hydro-engineering and brought down the arguments of Aristotle and his metaphysics, pointing out that it was impossible to separate mathematics and nature. Then Hipparchus used geometrical techniques to map the motion of stars and planets, even predicting the times that solar eclipses would happen. Another famous ancient physicist was Ptolemy and the rise of the East. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Facebook, Physics Made Easy Team Simdi, and on YouTube, Chisimdi Stephanie Onyakaru.